students. Today we are going to learn and understand the question and answers of lesson number 17, Pearly Teeth, Healthy Body, from Environmental Studies textbook Standard 3. We have studied this lesson in a very interesting way. Do watch that video to understand this lesson better. Link is given in the description box below. Now let us learn and understand the question and answers of lesson number 17, Pearly Teeth, Healthy Body. Question A. What's the solution? 1. Your friend has a toothache. Toothache म्हणजेच दात दुखत आहे तुमच्या फ्रेंडचा. He is not telling anyone because he is afraid of the dentist. But it is necessary for him to go to the dentist. तुमच्या फ्रेंडचा दात दुखत आहे पण तो कोणालाही सांगत नाहीये कारण त्याला डेंटिस्टची भीती वाटतेय. पण डेंटिस्टकडे जाणे हे फारच गरजेचे आहे. मग अशा वेळी तुमच्याकडे काय सोल्युशन आहे? आन्सर. इफ proper treatment is not done at the right time, our teeth may get damaged. He should immediately get convinced and consult the dentist for better result. B. Think and tell. 1. Which is the best way to brush your teeth? Why? Answer. Brushing our teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste is the best way to brush our teeth. The brush takes out the food particles stuck between our teeth and the foam of the toothpaste helps the food particles to loose and get washed away. 2. Why should we not allow nails to grow? Answer. If nails are grown, the dirt and mud remains inside the nails. This dirt and mud enters our mouth when we eat with hands. This can cause different diseases and our health will be affected. Therefore, we should not allow our nails to grow. 3. Why must we wash the grapes we buy from the market before eating them? आपण मार्केटमधून ग्रेप्स आणतो. ते खाण्यापूर्वी आपण ते ग्रेप्स का बरं धुवायला हवेत? काय कारण आहे त्यामागचे? आन्सर. द ग्रेप्स वी बाय फ्रॉम द मार्केट आर नॉट ऑलवेज कवर्ड अँड हॅव डर्ट अँड डस्ट ऑन देम. ऑल्सो द फार्मर्स ग्रोईंग ग्रेप्स स्प्रे पेस्टिसाइड्स ऑन देम टू किल द pests. These pesticides are harmful for humans and cause poisoning if we eat the grapes without washing. As washing removes the dirt, dust and the pesticides, it is necessary to wash grapes before eating them. 4. It is more important to brush your teeth before going to bed at night than to brush them in the morning. Why is that so? Answer. We keep eating throughout the day. The food particles can remain stuck in the gaps between the teeth. If we do not brush before going to bed, these food particles rot and cause tooth decay and bad breath. Hence, it is more important to brush teeth before going to bed at night. 5. Why is it a custom to wash one's feet and hands on coming back home? कस्टम म्हणजेच रीती किंवा रूढी. जेव्हा आपण बाहेरून घरामध्ये येतो तेव्हा हातपाय धुण्याची रूढी का आहे? कस्टम का आहे? Answer. When we go out to play or walk, our hands and feet become dirty. If we do not wash the dirt from the hands, it may get into our stomach and cause diseases. Hence, to keep ourselves clean, we should wash our feet and hands on coming back home. C. Fill in the blanks. 1. Dash start falling at the age of 7 or 8. Milk teeth. Milk teeth start falling at the age of 7 or 8. 2. If rotting dash remain in the mouth, they cause teeth to fall. If rotting food particles remain in the mouth, they cause teeth to fall. 3. If we use brush and dash, we can clean the gaps between our teeth properly. Answer: toothpaste. 4. We must clean our dash and gums while brushing our teeth. We must clean our tongue and gums while brushing our teeth. 5. We must keep our 5 dash clean. We must keep our 5 sensory organs clean. D. Answer the following questions. 1. Why do our gums get affected? Answer: when we do not rinse our mouth after eating something, the food particles remain in the mouth. They stick to our teeth and tongue and get stuck in between the teeth. If they remain there, the teeth begin to rot and we get bad breath. And due to this, the gums also get affected. 2. Why must we wash our hands before having a meal? जेवणाआधी आपण हात का धुवायला हवेत? Answer: all day while playing or working, our hands become dirty. If we eat with unclean hands, the dirt on the hands goes into our stomach and we can get a stomach upset. Hence, we must wash our hands before we eat. 3. What are the benefits of using a brush and toothpaste for cleaning one's teeth? Answer: using a brush and a toothpaste, we can clean the gaps between the teeth properly. Also, the foam of the toothpaste helps the particles stuck between teeth to come loose and get washed away. This will stop the rotting of teeth and bad breath. 4. What will happen if we do not keep ourselves clean? Answer: if we do not keep ourselves clean, we may contract different diseases. 5. Why do we fall ill if our teeth are not clean? Answer: if the teeth are not clean, then the gums are also affected. Blood and pus may ooze out from gums. Blood म्हणजेच रक्त, पस म्हणजे पू आणि ooze म्हणजे बाहेर येणे. रक्त आणि पस हा गम्समधून बाहेर येऊ शकतो. These foul substances may enter our stomach and cause diseases. Therefore, if we do not keep our teeth clean, we may fall ill. So, that's all for today. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying. Bye bye.